Hi, I'm Lauren Brown. Welcome to my channel. And if you're returning, welcome back. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing from Neiman Marcus. I ordered a few housewares and I thought that you might like to see them. Now, don't mind today's outfit. I am wearing a coat because I am about to head to the hardware store, so I figured I could get this unboxing in quickly and then head on over. So, I hope you enjoy the unboxing. Let's get into it. Okay, so I'm thinking we're playing a bit of Russian roulette in the sense that I'm not quite sure which box has which item. I can kind of guess by weight. So I'm thinking we go with the lighter object and then we go to the heavier. That way we have kind of a little build-up. But yeah, it's a bit of Russian roulette. I think I know what's inside. Can you guess? Pause now and let me know in the comments what you think the items are. Obviously you see the size of the boxes, so that's a bit of a clue. Okay, have you written it down? Have you guessed? Alright, let's get into it. So we're going to go with the lighter box. This will be box number 1. And I'm going to hold it sideways just to make sure I don't put my address in the streets. Okay. Wow, there is so much plastic happening on this box. Sorry for the noise. Oh, I have to be strong just to get into it. Okay, now I can actually cut into this. That plastic was doing a lot. Okay. Okay, so this is what the package looks like. There is a little thank you card from, I don't know if you can see it, from Neiman Marcus. It says, hello and goodbye. Haha, as in good purchase, Neiman Marcus. So yeah, it's just a little thank you with a, like a service and sustainability sticker with the QR code on the back. But that is not what we're here for. Did you see what it was? Okay, now to unbox the second item. I've already gone through the hell and headache of opening the packaging. So, I will say the inside is quite deeply packaged. We get another hello goodbye card from Neiman Marcus. An object inside an object. And so, have you guessed what it is? Let me know. Write it down now before you see what it is. Okay. Okay, so let's grab the scissors and alright, so that way we can open. Oh, did you guess it? Did you guess it? Spode Meadow Lane Covered Sugar Bowl. So, it's really cute. I'm just tossing things everywhere now, huh? This is a really sweet bowl. It has a beautiful gold knob or nib at the top, and these really fun bunny rabbits. My favorite part of this item and why I chose to buy it was actually just the elements of gold. The fact that they've given the rabbit a gold necklace and gold flowers to be among, and the top is edged in a really beautiful lilac and gold trim. So, did you guess it? Were you right? This is the interior. And it says it on the bottom, hand wash only, of course, because of the gold finish. Spode Meadow Lane, yeah. So, very excited to have this. It may or may not go in my tea station, but I just think it looks so cute. And there are multiple uses for this. So, yeah, let me know. Did you like this? And also, I will chat to you in a bit with the things that you can do to help support the channel. And thank you to all of you who have subscribed so far. It really means a lot. And I look forward to many more fun unboxings. Yeah, let me know. Would you purchase this item? Are there other items that you'd be interested in? Let me know in the comments below. And yeah, so I'll see you in a second. And that concludes the unboxing from Neiman Marcus. Now I have a question for you. Comment below and let me know. Did you like the items? Would you get similar items? Also, what would you buy from Neiman Marcus if you could? As well, are there any cool sales coming up that you know of that I might not? Alright, well, don't forget to like this video and to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you'll know when we have our next unboxings. Alright, I look forward to seeing you. This is Lauren Brown from Me to You. I'll see you in the next one.